Students, today I will teach you about science topic leaves, in which subtopic is stomata on the surface of a leaf. In this case, we will study about what is stomata, and what is the use of stomata and where found the stomata. What is stomata? Here you know that like human, plants also breathe. Plant breathe by stomata. Stomata are found on the surface of the leaf. On the surface of the leaf. Stomata are found the surface of the leaf. Okay? When we see by the microscope on the flat surface of the blade, then we see the stomata. Stomata shape is, then we see here stomata. Here, this is known as a stomata. Shape is this, and this some stomata are closed. Some stomata are closed, and here this stomata is closed and this is open. Closed, open. Okay? This stomata, plant breathe stomata, plant breathe like a human, and human breathe by nose, but plant breathe by stomata. Stomatas are found on the surface of the leaf. Okay? In this case, stomata arrange the gases of the carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay? And also control the loss of water through the leaves. Control the loss of water through the leaves. And you know that stomatas are two types: open stomatas and closed stomatas. Okay? Stomatas, here see stomatas. This stomatas shape is open, and here the stomatas shape is closed. Two types of the stomata: closed stomatas and open stomatas. These stomatas are helped to breathe of the plant. Okay? Thus, stomatas is very important parts of the leaves. Okay? After this, here stomatas like humans, plants breathe, breathe like human, plants breathe by stomata. Stomata, which are means stomata are which are found on the surface of leaf, surface of leaves, by which plant breathe. Here human breathe by nose, human breathe by nose, but plants breathe by stomata, which are found on the surface of leaf. In two cases, stomata. First stomata, closed stomata, and second, open stomata. Closed stomata and open stomata both are arranged the gases of carbon dioxide and oxygen. One time carbon dioxide absorbed by the stomata, and after some time during the respiration time, release the oxygen by the plants, and one time carbon dioxide absorbed, and after some time or during the respiration release the oxygen. These types of gases arranged by the stomata. Okay, students? Here, which are found on the surface of leaves. Thus, and stomatas are two types. Closed stomata and second, open stomata. Okay, here on the leaves stomatas. Some stomatas are open and some stomatas are closed. Open stomata, and here closed stomata. stomata. Open stomata and closed stomata, by which plant breathe. Thus, stomata are very important, have very important role during the respiration. Respiration means जब प्लांट जो है वो सांस लेते हैं. ड्यूरिंग द respiration, plant carbon dioxide take or observe and oxygen release. Okay, and thus stomata is very important, stomata have very important role in the respirations or breath of the plant. Okay students, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay students, thank all of you.